In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download apps with Face ID on the App Store. This is a simple way to make sure your downloads are fast and secure. Let's get started. First, you need to ensure that Face ID is enabled for the App Store. This is crucial because it allows your iPhone to use your facial recognition to authenticate downloads. Begin by opening the Settings app. It's the gray icon with gears, usually found on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. You'll be asked to enter your passcode, so go ahead and do that. This is important because it adds an extra layer of security. Once you've entered your passcode, you'll see a list of features that Face ID can be used for. Make sure that the option for iTunes and App Store is turned on. This setting is what allows Face ID to authenticate your App Store downloads and purchases. With this setting enabled, you're all set to use Face ID for downloading apps. Now, let's move on to downloading an app using Face ID. Open the App Store on your iPhone. This is the blue icon with a white letter A made of popsicle sticks. Once inside, search for the app you want to download. You can use the search bar at the bottom of the screen for this. When you find the app, you have two options. Tap on Get if it's a free app, or tap the Price button if it's a paid one. After tapping, you'll be prompted to double-click the Side button. This is the button located on the right side of your iPhone. It's a quick and easy way to confirm your purchase. Then, look at your iPhone to authenticate with Face ID. You will see a checkmark appear, confirming that your Face ID has been accepted, and the app will begin downloading. This simple step ensures that only you can authorize downloads on your device. However, if you find that Face ID isn't being used when downloading apps, there are a few things you can do. First, double-check that the iTunes and App Store setting is turned on under Face ID and passcode. Sometimes it can get turned off accidentally or during updates. If the setting is correct but you're still having issues, try restarting your iPhone. This might seem basic, but community reports indicate that a simple restart can resolve many App Store authentication glitches. Remember, restarting your device can often fix temporary software issues. If restarting doesn't work, make sure that Face ID itself is functioning properly. You can test it by using Face ID to unlock your iPhone. If it works for unlocking, it should work for downloads too. Another step you can take is to update your iOS to the latest version available for your device. Keeping your software updated is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and security features. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to download apps using Face ID without any trouble. Face ID provides a convenient and secure way to manage your downloads, saving you time and effort. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on getting the most out of your iPhone.